Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this video tutorial I will be covering tuples in Python. So let me open the Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, the thing which you need to remember is tuples are immutable. So you can't change the data inside tuple once you define it. So this is quite useful in some cases when you don't want your object to be changed by or something when you are using in your program. And so one example is in parallel computing, where object should not change. These tuples are quite useful there. So this is, here is example how you can create the tuple. First, the tuples are defined with these brackets, and they are separated by commas. And for example, this I have a tuple, I have a fruit mango from Pakistan, and this is a rate, let's say €5 per kg in 2018. So this tells me about my product. And then if you want to print it, I press shift enter for this shell, shift enter, and this will show me the output, mango Pakistan and everything what is. Then you can slice it as well. You can if you want to get the value at second index in this tuple. So indexing works same as we saw in lists. So it is at 0 index, this is at 1, and this is at 2. So it is expecting to print 5. So let me press shift enter, and so here I get the second index 5. Then similarly, if you want to slice, if you want to get the elements starting from index 1 till index 3, but 3 is not included. So index 1 is this one, 1 and 2, but 3 will not be. So these I'm expecting it prints the name of the country and then the rate. So let me press shift enter. So this is how it gives the output. So this is how you can slice the data from tuples. And if you want to get the length of the tuple, then you write this length function, which we saw in strings as well as in lists. So let me press shift enter, and here you get the 4. So there are 4 entries in this tuple. Then the next thing is, now as if I want to replace this first index value, which is this Pakistan, this is 0 index, this is first index, with Spain. And as it is immutable, I just told you tuples, the value inside cannot be changed. So let me try it and see what we get. So shift enter. So here it gives me error, and it says tuple object does not support item assignment. So this is the beauty of tuple. You can't change the data inside it once it is defined. Then the next thing is, you can check in similar way if you want to check mango in tuple 1. So let me press shift enter, and you see true. So this is how you can check the data inside tuple. Like in list, we saw the in keyword can be used. Then the next thing is, if you want to iterate over this this tuple, the elements in the tuple, you can use the similarly for loop for I in tuple 1. So it will print all these elements or this data inside this tuple, which is. So let me press shift enter, and here you see all the 4 elements are printed out. So first was mango, then Pakistan, then 5, and then 2018. Then you can use this if you want to print indexes as well, and you can use enumerate function. This will give you index as well as the corresponding value. And then if I press shift enter, you will see place 0 contains mango, 1 contains Pakistan, 2 contains 5, then 3 contains 2018. So this is how you can use the tuple. So that's it from my side. Thanks for your likes and subscriptions. If you have any questions, you can mention in comment section.